Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to do the moss stitch. This stitch is a very fun and easy, beginner friendly stitch. It consists of single crochets and chains. I was actually contemplating using this stitch for my wedding dress. It's really beautiful and it's stretchy. It's just fun to make. I've actually made a baby blanket out of it before and I really liked that baby blanket. So hopefully you guys have fun doing this stitch as well. For today's project you're going to need weight for acrylic yarn, a pair of scissors, tapestry needle, tape measure, and a 6mm crochet hook. You're going to tie your yarn on or create a slip knot. I have already tied my loop. We are going to chain 26 chains. So to chain, you're going to cross over in front, wrap your hook, pull through. Once more, you're going to cross over in front, wrap your hook, pull through. Again, cross in front, wrap over, pull through. You'll do that for a total of 26 times. Once you have a total of 26, you're going to find the fourth chain from your hook. So the loop on your hook does not count as a chain. This is your first, second, third, fourth. Once you've found your fourth, you're going to find the back loop and you're going to slip your hook into it. If you're not familiar with crocheting in the back loop, you can just crochet in the top loop as usual. Do a single crochet. Now you're going to chain one, skip a chain, and single crochet into the next. And it'll create a little gap right here. Again, chain one, skip one, single crochet in the next. And you're going to do that all the way down. Okay, you will end with a single crochet. Now you're going to chain two, turn your work, and these little gaps right here, you're going to place a single crochet into. So you're going to skip your first single crochet and single crochet into the chain space. Chain one, skip the single crochet, and single crochet into the chain space. Again, chain one, skip your single crochet, and single crochet into the chain space. You'll repeat that until you have finished this row. Once you're done with this row, you would have ended with a single crochet. So again, like round two, you will start with a chain two, turn your work, skip your first single crochet here, and single crochet into the chain space. This creates the texture of the moss stitch. Chain one, that chain one goes over your single crochet, and then you single crochet into the chain space. You will continue this for 25 rows. Once I have 25 rows, I will meet you guys back here. I have completed my 25 rows. So now you will chain one, take your scissors and cut your yarn. Now take your hook and pull your yarn through. That'll create a little knot. Okay, now that you've finished your square, you want to make sure that you have 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So you'll measure side to side and then top to bottom. Another way to make sure that it's completely square is to meet it corner to corner. It should line up as a perfect triangle. Now we're going to weave in our ends. If you watched my previous video, you should be able to do this pretty easily. But if you haven't, you'll just take your hook, put it over your yarn, and wiggle it in some. Now, you're going to take your needle and you'll enter near where you tied your knot, but not exactly where your knot is, as it'll make it come out. When you're weaving this in, you want to try your best to get it between the stitches in a way that it doesn't show too much on the front or the back, so that your yarn won't get caught and tugged out of place. You'll go in a few directions. When you go to re-enter your hook, you want to enter either in the same place you came out or loop over from where you came out, but not too far or it'll show. Once you're confident in the amount that you weaved in, you'll take your scissors and you'll cut your end. Make sure not to cut yourself or your project. Now you'll do that with the other end as well. I hope you guys have fun with making this square and you enjoyed the stitch. This is our second stitch of our 80 stitches in 40 weeks. And if you guys did complete this square, I would really like if you tagged me in any of these social medias so that I can see what they look like and how well you guys did. And let me know if you enjoyed this stitch in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.